Welcome to this guide on best practices for ETRADE margin account. A margin account allows you to borrow money from ETRADE to purchase securities, which can be a powerful tool for investors. However, it also comes with significant risks. So it is essential to understand the best practices for using a margin account effectively. First, it is crucial to understand the concept of margin and how it works. Margin is the amount of money you borrow from ETRADE to purchase securities, and it is typically expressed as a percentage of the total purchase price. For example, if you want to buy 100 shares of stock with a price of $50 per share, and you have a margin of 50%, you will need to pay $2,500, and ETRADE will lend you the remaining $2,500. To avoid margin calls, it is essential to maintain a healthy margin balance. A margin call occurs when the value of your securities falls below a certain threshold, and ETRADE requires you to deposit more funds or sell some of your securities to bring your account back into balance. To avoid this, make sure to monitor your account regularly and maintain a margin balance of at least 25%. Another critical best practice is to diversify your portfolio. By spreading your investments across different asset classes and sectors, you can reduce your risk and minimize the impact of market fluctuations on your portfolio. This is especially important when using a margin account, as a single significant loss can trigger a margin call. It is also essential to set clear investment goals and risk tolerance before using a margin account. Determine how much you are willing to borrow and what your investment objectives are. This will help you to make informed decisions and avoid taking on too much risk. In addition, it is vital to understand the fees associated with a margin account. ETRADE charges interest on the borrowed amount, and there may be other fees, such as maintenance fees or commission fees. Make sure to review the fee structure and factor these costs into your investment decisions. Finally, it is crucial to have a solid understanding of the market and the securities you are investing in. This includes staying up to date with market news and trends, as well as conducting thorough research on the companies and assets you are investing in. By following these best practices, you can use your ETRADE margin account effectively and minimize the risks associated with borrowing money to invest. Remember to always maintain a healthy margin balance. Diversify your portfolio, set clear investment goals, understand the fees, and stay informed about the market and your investments.